Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel 3 Friends. In previous videos, we have discussed about exceptions and how to use exceptions in coding. Now, in previous classes, we have also discussed the concepts of threads. Now, let us do in a programmatical way. So, let's go into the video. So, now come to creation of a thread. As I have said, there are two methods. One is by extending thread class or by using runnable interface. On coming to first thing, by extending thread class. So first you need to declare few statements so that that thread need to be performed. Using thread class, for the concepts of multi-threading I am saying, there need to be assigned two different works for two different threads. So that we need to create first thing. So first we need to create first work. In my first work, I have created a class first, which extends from thread class, as the concept is about from creating threads by extending the thread class. In this, as I have said earlier, there will be multiple number of methods like that. One of the method is public void run. In this, we use if we use statements like good morning, so that these statements helps us to know which thread is running. After that, here I have created a concept thread dot sleep, which means the thread need to get work how in how much time the thread is terminated. Means a thread will be created within 10 within these time the thread will be terminated, so that within 1000 milliseconds the thread will be terminated, so that we can know. And after that, if there occur any exceptions, then we use e dot print of stack trace. Means in case of any blocked cases, we should know where the thread is going, so that we use this catch statements. Similarly, for any second, for assigning the work of second class, in which same it has the same process and everything as same, just we change the class name and that time of the sleep. Means it can be maybe same or you cannot be maybe same. It will be depend on the user. So that here I have taken that the output is initially for first thread is its sleep time is 1000, and for the second thread, second class or second thread, its time is 2000. We have created two different classes in two different places. So to access those, we need to create objects for both of them. So that I have created a main class, in which I have created public static void main method, which through which we can access whole program. And for that, I have created an object for first class and an object for second class. In first class, we have the thread 1, and in second class, we have thread 2. Here, we are starting with t1.start, which means the method which helps us to start any thread, and t2.start, in which we have another thread and we have starting both of them. So on running these, we can get the concepts of output as good morning subscribes, and this output will be keep on going such that here we can see the repetition of good morning twice, but whereas subscribers as once. In this, see, I have explained that the death or terminating time is for one is 1000, another one is 2000, which means the thread 1 can perform two times in the time the thread 2 performs. Okay, hope all of you understand the program and the output. Here, through this we can know how can we work with the help of thread using thread class. Okay, here we have declared two different threads. Okay, and we have declared different times. If you doesn't understand any of the things, message me Instagram, through Instagram, or comment in the comment section. So now on moving to further topics, like further topics means nothing but by using runnable interface. To use these, we need to know that concept of inherit interface, and along with this implementation, so that you come to know about those concepts. Previously you have known about how to use or how to create a thread using thread class. Now let me tell you how to use thread using runnable interface. To know about first, by using runnable interface, you need to implement these runnable into any class. So I have taken a class name that message printer. because I am printing here a message. So that I have declared two values. One is message and another one is num. In this, in the message, it tells the what message that I need to print. Whereas the num helps us to know the sleep time of the thread, which means terminating time of the thread. Okay, I have created a constructor in which I have declared values of message and num. Okay, further I have used method run. I have already previously said you may have multiple methods in creation by using thread class, but you cannot have any methods except run in runnable interface. So in this I have printed the message and I have declared the sleep time by using num variable so that I can have different types. In previously we have declared the data and the time, the sleep time by in with along with the code, but here by using the same piece of code we can do it for multiple threads. Let me explain how it is. And here we have seen the try method. Try I have used, in which we have the sleep time of the thread. And in catch, if there already a thread is, if there is any exception in the whole program, so that we can get an output of showing that here is the exception. But let me consider if there wasn't any exception, there will get the output how the user wanted it. So I have created another class in which way I have stored the public main, and here I have created three classes. Previously we have created class for thread, which is easy to initialize. But here we have used some other class and we need to create thread. So that we here we use thread class and the object related to thread. And in this, on using this thread class, we can also access the other methods which we have declared with the runnable. So here I have created a thread class and its object, for which in which the thread class is have we are storing the new class in the thread class so that we can access all the things that a thread can access. So that here I have created message printer, and in this I have stored the values and the terminating time of the thread. Here I have declared three different statements and along with three different thread times. So on running, to run this we need to start the methods. We need to use the start method. So here I have used start method for three different threads. So for considering it, here we have the terminating time. Based on the terminating time, the thread starts number of time working. Here on this the above statements we have used while loop so that the thread always keep on working. It cannot be terminated until it is the condition doesn't satisfy. Here we have given the condition true, which means it will keep on repeating. So on running this, let me see what is the output. Here we can see the output we have got. So after that, these keep on get repeating due to the loop that we have used. Through this, hope all of you know how to implement the thread using thread class and runnable interface. If you have any further doubts, please comment in the comment section. With this, I am ending this video. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today.